Hey guys, living that expat lifestyle, Nate here. I just got done eating at a little restaurant called Racer Cafe at a big old filet mignon, about 230 grams, with vegetables, mashed potatoes, little roasted potatoes, and a big pitcher, maybe a half gallon of iced tea. I couldn't finish it all. It's about $10 or $11. But what I'm hoping to show you right now here in Dumaguete, Philippines, is the place I had a monthly rental. So enjoy.
Okay, gang. Looks like I might have screwed the pooch on this one. I'm here at the Navarro Apartments over in the St. Paul area. There's multiple Navarro apartments. So I saw the table, I saw the new fridge, and I liked it. Yeah, obviously they have new windows, clean. Plus the guy had just recaulked all the floors. Saw they had a bum gun. Got over there was no water heater because the water pressure was good. But I failed to check the mattress. So I'll be sleeping on like 2 inches of foam for a month, I think. Simple, but affordable, I guess. I ended up paying about $300 a month. That's month to month lease. It was listed at about $200 a month or 11,000 pesos for a yearly contract. But I got some bonus footage here for y'all. I ended up getting another piece of like matting and a full set of sheets, and that cost me around $23. And then as a bonus, I just picked this up from the store next to my house, little convenience store. I got 2 bottles of water, 2 things of Coke Zero, toothbrush, and a good sized thing of ice cream. And that cost me 308 pesos, so about 570, 580, something like that. All right, hope you all enjoyed. See you in the next video.